Dear students, welcome to Maths class. Today, let us learn about integers. Before we move on to integers, let us know briefly about natural numbers and whole numbers. What are natural numbers? The counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity are called natural numbers. Infinity means there is no end for the numbers or it is countless. Natural numbers are represented by the letter n. Then, what are whole numbers? The natural numbers, including 0, are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by the letter W. Then, what are integers? The numbers which contains whole numbers and negative numbers are called integers. Integers are represented by the letter Z. Z means Zahlen, a German word which means numbers. Positive and negative integers. The integers with plus sign are called positive integers. Here on the number line, you can see the numbers to the right of 0 are called positive integers. Then, what about negative integers? The integers with minus sign are called negative integers. In the number line, the numbers to the left side of the 0 are negative integers. Then, what about 0? 0 is considered neither a positive nor a negative integer, but it is a whole number. Dear students, in the next video, you are going to learn how to add and subtract the given two integers. Thank you. Dear students, now let us move on to exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Question A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. You can see the number line and the temperatures and the name of the places are marked on it. Now you have to list the temperature of the places marked on it. So let us see with the left side. That is first one, Lahul Spiti. As we know that the numbers to the left of the 0 are negative integers. And each mark on the number line shows each degree Celsius. So here the temperature of Lahul Spiti, that is you can see after -5, that is a third mark. So the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Then what about the temperature of Srinagar? Here on the number line to the left side of the 0, this is the second mark. So the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. Then temperature of Shimla, that is here the temperature of Shimla is marked to the right side of the number line. So these are positive integers. So the temperature of Shimla is +5 degrees Celsius. Then what is the temperature of Ooty? Yes, the temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. That is +14 degrees Celsius. Then the last one, the temperature of Bengaluru. That is 22 degrees Celsius. Here is the solution for question number 1, sub-question A. That is, just now we have identified the temperature of different places on the number line. That is Lahul Spiti -8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius, Shimla plus 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty plus 14 degrees Celsius and Bengaluru plus 22 degrees Celsius. Question number 1, sub-question B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest among the above? Here on the number line, you can see that the temperatures marked to the right side of the 0 shows the increase in temperature, and the temperatures marked to the left side of the 0 shows the decrease in temperature. So, the temperature of the hottest place, that is here Bengaluru. What is the temperature of Bengaluru? That is plus 22 degrees Celsius. Then, what is the temperature of the coldest place? Here, the coldest place is Lahul Spiti, and the temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So, the question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest among the above? So, the question is to find the difference, we have to subtract. So, the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place is equal to plus 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. That is, as you all know, how to subtract the given integers. That is, we are adding the additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. So, plus 22 degrees Celsius plus the additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. So, the next step is 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. Both are positive integers. So, the answer will get the plus sign and you have to add the numbers. 22 plus 8 is 30 degrees Celsius. That is plus 30 degrees Celsius. And if there is no sign in front of the number, it is considered as plus. So, the answer is 30 degrees Celsius. Question number 1, sub-question C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? As you all know, the temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now, the question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? How to subtract this? As we all know that while subtracting, we are writing the bigger number first. Here, among minus 2 and minus 8, which is the bigger number? Is it minus 8? No. As we know that the smaller the negative number gets the greater value, and the greater is the negative number gets the smaller value. So, here the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. As we all know, how to subtract the given two integers, that is by adding the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted. So, the next step is minus 2 degrees Celsius plus of plus 8 degrees Celsius. Under the rule of addition, when there are two different signs, we should find the difference between them and write the greater number sign. That is 8 minus 2 is 6 degrees Celsius. Here 8 degrees Celsius is having plus sign, which is the bigger integer. So, the answer will get the plus sign. Therefore, the answer is plus 6 degrees Celsius. Exercise 1.1, question number 1, sub-question D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Here there are two questions. Let us move on to the first question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Here they have asked temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Taken together means we should add. So the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Shimla is plus 5 degrees Celsius. We should add that minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. Here the integers are having different signs. So under the rule of addition, when there are two different signs, that is one positive and one negative sign, we should subtract the numbers and write the greater number sign. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and the answer will get the plus sign because 5 degrees Celsius is the bigger integer when compared to minus 2 degrees Celsius. So 5 degrees Celsius is having plus sign, so the answer will get the plus sign. Therefore, we can say that plus 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature at Shimla, isn't it? Because Shimla is having the temperature of plus 5 degrees Celsius and the answer what we get is plus 3 degrees Celsius. Then question B or the second question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? What is the temperature of Srinagar? That is minus 2 degrees Celsius. And what we find out now, that is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together, that is plus 3 degrees Celsius. Then definitely it is no. Plus 3 degrees Celsius is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Thank you students for watching this video. For making this video, we have used materials and pictures from the following websites.